Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Ghost. It's Forbidden to Foes, chapter 7. So here it is. Let's read the story. Jiangxi, she's trying to protect Nanting. Right now, he was going to defend her against the another ghost. Where is this ghost? You are not allowed to scare the Tao's priest. Jiangxi said to the another ghost, Lanting. She was smiling, and also she noted to herself that Jiangxi will protect her. When did the little girl become so strong? Lanting, she noted to herself that sometimes Jiangxi, she is still weak and can able to defend herself. But right now, she becomes stronger. She saw that the teacher was in danger and wanted to go in. Well, the door suddenly could not be opened. He tried so many ways but it was no avail. Now, Lanting said to them, it can be, but feel free to mention the requirements. Ghostbuster flies list. Ghosts don't pick up fur ghosts, slacker, house ghosts, lecherous, dog ghosts. Well, there's a lot of things listed, especially the services. The letter to the account is 288,000 yuan. Is this right? No, she was thinking. She thought to herself that Lanting was good, but right now, she was thinking something else. That's why Jiangxi, she was questioning herself, looking at the two of them. And also, Jiangxi, she is really serious, protecting Lanting. Well, let's see. It was so wrong. Come to leave so soon. What kind of work are you here? What is Lanting going to do? There's a lot of questions are circling on her mind, but right now, the most important thing is to be able by the side of Jiangxi, and they're really protecting each other. Looking at Lanting, she looks really serious about this matter. Well, she was taking precautiously. Also, when she's stepping around, it seems that there's another ghost on the hallway. Well, that must be really scary for her. It really doesn't matter to her. Bao Chang is a quite strange fear. Jiangxi said to Lanting, there's a force in the stairs. You can only goes up and down. Oh, Lanting. She seems to understand. Right now, she was paused. There's something singing from this door. So it turns out she was looking around and also that's why there's a lot of people's shadow on the background but she can already be seen. So at this moment, look at her. Well, definitely she knows that there's a person outside the door. Turns out this man ghost was laughing at them. Well, what could be wrong? Seems that this person, it really looks tricky. Ending, she became aware of this. Xiao Dochang, he was put on the body by the ghost, the one that was just betrayed by me just now. So it turns out she know the person. It was a big 8%. Ending, she moved closer to the man. Or, what is she going to do? I'm so curious. What is Lanting going to do? What is she thinking? Can you hear me? Shouldn't be the singing to the ghost. There's a lot of things bothering on Jiangxi. Ha ha, what is the core socialist value? It's really going to be locked to death by her. Well, there's a lot of things circling on her mind. Right now, the head Tao priest suddenly came in. What is she doing? Now, she looks really serious. Look at her. Is she really going to get angry? A confrontation from her. It really makes sense. Want a confrontation duel for her. King Tao is Dong Yun's Wuji. Xiao Xiao. He, evildoer. Where are you from? So it turns out the head of the Tao priest to have a duel with this man who's also. While he was talking, landing while this moment. Jiang, what's the matter with you? You seems to be afraid of her. Sir, she was the Tao priest. Now Jiangxi said to herself that, but then she threw me out to be a shield. You have to catch me to make it alchemy, Jiangxi said to herself. But of course, she knows that It was landing at this moment. She is rejecting. Said, so, did you really want to make an argument with the old lady? Can you do it? Old Taoist priest, why do people ignore you? Landing said to the old Taoist priest, silly girl, do you think it's so easy? Silly girl, do you think it's so easy to catch a ghost? What do you want? The old Tao lady was asking Lanting. You know how hard let the evil ghost speak? Lanting said, hello, miss, where are you from? Haha, little girl's name is Lin. According to what you said, it was born from the China. Now, look at them. But the old Tao priest, she was really getting impatient. Well, there's a lot of things bothering to them. Little girl who doesn't know how high the sky is, inferring for the fact that she was recording a show. She would go after her for a long time ago. She's really getting angry. Right now, she was pointing her everything to Lanting for trying to protect another ghost. Right now, she put a talisman. It seems that take her life. Now, she was pointing the talisman on Lanting. It really makes no sense. She is really getting desperate. She's also a good person, but right now, she is trying to defend herself. That's why she was doing her job. Looking at the ghost, it said, you. It seems that she was also a strong person and have a high many spells on her. Well, this is a good sign, right? Hunting, let's go and come back. Solve the ghost in. Chen in a while. Landing, said the Jiangshi. Well, it was really curious that those priests, why did you blame it? Just now, usually, you don't take the initiative to the others. Who told her? Now, it really makes sense, right? It was not right. It's not. It's because she cultivated evil ways and wanted to hurt me. Now, someone was screaming and said, help Seth. Well, what's happening on the other side? It was a little Tao Chang. It's really a ghost. Landing said to Jiangshi. Jiangshi, look at herself. Well, is she going to ready? Offer some ghosts. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.